Hello there. I'm alive. Well, I made a promise that I would do an unboxing video. What am I unboxing today? Today I will do an unboxing of a comic book that I ordered. This specific comic book that I ordered is a crossover comic book. What's the crossover? It's Transformers versus the Terminator. Now, I do love the Transformers films. And I love playing with the toys. And I'm a big fan of the Terminator films. When I first moved to Kennewick, I remember getting to watch Terminator 2 Judgment Day. And I think it's one of the best sequels ever. And the later sequels are definitely a guilty pleasure. And I do like the Terminator comics that are released by Dark Horse Comics. In fact, I have a Terminator comic in which Superman battles the Cyberdyne machines themselves. I believe it's called Terminator, Superman, Fate for the Future. I'll probably look it up and, ooh, there's that correction right there. That's better. Anyway, I had ordered this comic book a few weeks before I was to go to Emerald City Comic Con. Actually, a week before that. And I had been waiting. And just yesterday, I finally got the package. So, gonna do the unboxing video. I ordered this off of Amazon. Yes. Awesome! Yes! yes! Transformers versus the Terminators. It's Skynet versus Cybertron, and the crossover of all time. It's a Dark Horse and IDW crossover. For those who are wondering what IDW is a comic book company that has done comic books for licensed property. They own the comic book licensing rights to Transformers and Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, among other intellectual property. I've bought a lot of IDW comics, and they've collaborated with many comic book companies such as DC Comics and Marvel for certain crossovers. A good example would have to be Batman Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Heck, IDW also owns the comic book licensing rights to the Ghostbusters comics. And those were pretty fun to read. So I am definitely looking forward to reading this. And also, the reason I'm doing this video is I got something important to say. I am going to need to step down from making videos on this channel and Bellevue Covers, mostly to focus on physically rehabilitating and recuperating. But I promise, when I feel healthy enough, you'll be hearing me sing. I promise you that much. Anyway, I shall end the video with all my photos from Emerald City Comic Con. Anyway, don't have a good day. Have a great day. In case anyone is wondering who this lovely lady is, that is Billie Piper, best known for playing Rose Tyler on Doctor Who. I got to meet her and she took this selfie. This is the altered version. She was honestly quite lovely to talk to. And because she took the photo, I would dare not delete it. So here it is for your convenience. This was all the art that I bought at the Comic-Con. Bought this awesome action figure at the Comic-Con. Love me some Captain America. I got the opportunity to speak to Phil Lamar and meet with him and get an autograph from him. And he was really cool to talk to. He even confirmed his favorite Static Shock episode. For those who don't know, Phil Lamar is best known for voicing Samurai Jack, John Stewart the Green Lantern, and Static on Static Shock. So it was pretty cool getting to meet him. This was the autograph that Billie Piper autographed for me. It was so sweet of her to do it. God bless her heart. And that's me with Rob Paulson and Maurice LaMarche. And these were some souvenirs I got at Crossroads Mall.